Okay, today I will be showing us a trick on how to get this effect on your design with just your pixel art. So I posted the design on Facebook, and many of my viewers was asking how I got it. So in this video I'll be explaining in details on how I got it. Here is the effect, and here is it. I applied it in the design. So let's go into it. We'll be using this image. Let me click OK, and here we have the image we're going to be using. So for this work, we have to crop the image to be this one ratio one. So it should be like this. Then what we're going to do is, because we want to get that kind of effect that every shape we have, every shape will be having one part of our face. So we just have to bring this a little bit closer. Okay, let's go with something like this. Let me bring this. Okay, so let's go with something like this. So for me to get this now, I'll just have to drag it down. So let's use here. I'll click OK. So I have this. All right. So I'll just click on save and save my work. Click on save. You can save as, save it as ultra, so as to get the high quality, and just save to gallery. When I'm done saving it, I'll just copy it. Then I will hide the first layer. The reason why I copied it is for in case of a case maybe I might mistakenly lose the arrangement. Then I will go back with the first one. So I'll hide the first one instead, and leave the one that I copied. So I'll just go back to crop, and then make sure that you identify the ending of the other copy, so you can just shift it smoothly. Just do it carefully and smoothly to the particular place that I ended. So you just click OK, and you have this. You can save it as well. Remember, I kept this thing at transparent. This side now, the whole of this side is transparent, so there is no color here. When you are working with it, it won't stop. You can just save it, or better still, you can just go over to use this template for your work. This is PixelLab default template. Though I'm using PixelLab YD, but I believe this is the default template for all PixelLab, both PixelLab Gold, PixelLab YD, and every other PixelLab. So I'm using you can use this. It will be very easy. Okay, let me show you for instance. So to restart everything, let me click OK. So I'll just go back and import my image back. So we have this. Alright, let me just do the same trick that I did. Remember, I've saved two places. I'll first of all get the angle I want. Remember, I've saved two places already. So I'm just working on the remaining two. I've saved here and here. So I'm just going to work on here and here. So I'll just reduce it to this size. This is the size. So I'll just bring it down somewhere like this. I'll just make sure that I got the math right. I got the exact size that I end that the one that was here ended. So I'll just click on OK. Now increase the size like this. We have it. Just click on save. The same way you would do the other side, and you get the 4 angles of her clothes. So depending on how many shapes that you want to put, mostly I'm using 4 shapes here for instance. So I'm going to create 4 image of this. So I'll just save. After saving, then I'll have to delete this. Then let me change the color to let me use a black color. Use a black color for the background. So the next time create a shape, a cycled shape. Increase it a little bit, something like this. So after increasing it a little bit, click OK. Then create another shape. Just click here so that the highlight will disappear. Then click on shape again. We're going to use this this shape. So you just have to adjust it, make it smaller, so it won't affect. I'll change the color. Let me use this normal default color. It's red. I'll copy it. Copy this. We are not copying the cycle, we're just copying this straight line now. I just copy it, rotate it like this. Rotate it like this. So to make sure that everything is centralized. So I'll just click on this cycle, then I'll click on relative position. Make sure it's positioned in the center. Click here. Here means positioning in the center. And also click here and here to position it in the center. So you click on the one line. Then you click here, this first position to position in the center. Then you click on this second one. Sorry. You click on this second line. Then click on this relative position again. Then use this one to get it to be at the center. So here we have what we want. So what we're going to do now is to merge it. Just click on this icon. Then you to proper like this. Then you mark all of them. Then click on merge. This is merge. It will give you this option with property. Click on OK. Clicking on OK, then we have this merged. So what we're going to do is just go to color eraser, enable it. So first of all, erase the white color, don't panic, just click on the pixel and pick the red color, click OK. After clicking OK, so we have something like this. So you can also increase the tolerance if you want, right, to remove more of the red, but let me just leave it like this. Okay, so I'll just go to color and change the color automatically to white. It will automatically change to red. Then you select the color that you want. I would like to use white. As you can see, those red strokes that are around it are no more there. So what we're going to do now to get what we want is to separate all this one by one. You just have to copy it into four. Since we are looking for four shapes here, we're looking for four shapes here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to copy this layer into four. Right, copy it into four. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide these ones first. Hide and lock, hide and lock. So we're starting one by one. We're going to first of all make sure that it is centralized. Right, remember I'm working on the one that is not the one I didn't hide. So what we're going to do now is go to eraser, then click here, use this. You just have to adjust this to come like this, adjust it to so that to frame the whole of this right hand side of the cycle. Then click OK. No, sorry, click here. You just remove everything within that highlighted area. So you click OK. Alright, click on this erase again, then click back here, and then go over to this one, and then bring this thing down to cover this other than part of the shape. And you click here again to remove it. Don't bother about this red strokes. It won't affect. It won't show up when you click OK. So we have something like this. Right? We just have to lock it so that it won't move. Right? So we just unhide this one. Remember, we're on the second one. Make sure that the second one is highlighted. So click OK, and then make sure it's centralized. Yeah, it's centralized. This is the second one. Remember, in each of them I try to centralize it. So the next thing to do is go to this erase. Okay, now this time around we are trying to get this angle. So the first one we got this angle, so this time around we'll be getting this angle. So we'll be removing every other angle apart from this one. So click on here as usual, click here, then adjust this to like this, then stretch that to like this, then click here as usual to remove every other thing, then bring it down. Since you're trying to get to this side, right, like I said earlier, don't bother about the red side, it won't affect. Right, I've already used color eraser to remove it, so it won't affect once I click OK here. So just click here, and we have this. So I've created the second layer. So yeah, we were going to do is, okay, it's already locked, so go to the other layer and hide it. Then what we're going to do is to make sure that it's centralized as usual. The first step to click, go to relative position, click here, and now it is centralized. Then we go to erase as usual. So now we've gotten here and we've gotten here, so we need here now. So what we're going to do is to remove here, then we're going to allow here to stay. Then we'll click here, remove the whole of the right hand side. Right, click here, then we bring this down, and then go over here. So click here again. So we're almost getting the whole 4 angles now. So what we're going to do now is go to the last angle, which is here. We're going to go to erase again. Sorry, we're going to unhide it. Right, so after hiding it, we'll then centralize it as usual, and go to erase. Here is erase. What we are looking for now is this side of the shape. So we just click here, then adjust it to remove the whole of the left side. Right, click here to remove it, then we adjust this to come remove the top side because we don't need it. The only thing we need is this side, so we want to remove every other side. The only thing we need now is this side, that's the only thing we need. I hope my touches are on here, so click OK. So we've gotten the 4 side of the shape. You see it's gotten the shape one by one, so let me unhide it. So what we're going to do next is just to, very simple, just create a shape, drag the shape down, click OK. It's not showing here, but it will be showing in your layer. So what we're going to do is click the first click on this place again, the icon that I showed you the last time. Right? Let me bring it down again. You will see it like this. Then click on this icon, this thing will pop out. Then you just, what we're going to do, click on the first one. Just mark only the first one. Remember, try to identify the one you marked. Mark only the first one and the shape that you will hide. Like you screw it down so it will be showing in our workspace. So you click the space and the two of them. Then after clicking it, just click on merge. Click on OK and you allow it to merge. Right, we've merged it. And here the reason why you're doing this is right to allow you to import image as texture. Right, that's the reason why you're doing it. So as we've done this one, then click on texture, click on the image icon, and we'll go directly to our PixelLab. We choose those images that we saved as a then. Notice that we're working on the top left side, so this is the top left side. Just click on it. make sure that you're using this ratio for the work. Make sure that you highlight the whole the place that you design. If you have any side that is like negative space, that there's maybe transparent space, just make sure that you cut off those transparent area, and make sure that you use this ratio to cut off the transparent area. Just click OK, and we have something like this. Boom. So the next thing we're going to do is go to the second one, which is this one. Now we're going to create a shape again as usual. Drag it down to be invisible in our workspace. So just go back to layer. It will be showing in your layers, but it's invisible in our workspace. Just click on here again, mark the second one, and mark the shape. So just click on merge and allow it to merge. Okay, after merging, we have the second layer. Drag it down. Remember, I did hold here, press and hold here, this dot area, and drag it down. So we'll drag it down. So the next thing we're going to do is go to texture and add the image for that place. That's the image. Click on OK. There are some other way, like I said earlier, I said on Facebook, there are some other way you can get to do this particular design. Well, I kind of want to teach this one. Alright, so if you need other ways, you can comment on the comment section. Tell me the way that you think will be better, or if you don't really understand this, you can comment, just drop a comment at the comment section and tell me that you didn't really understand this one. So I will find another simpler way that I will make a video on, so I can get it. So the next thing is the third side. So we just have to create a shape as usual. Create a shape, hide the shape, then go over to this place, your layer, click here, then mark the third one, mark the shape, and merge it. So after merging it, you drag it down. The reason why I'm dragging it down is so that I will identify it. But it doesn't matter if you really can identify it even when it's not dragged down. You don't have an issue. But the reason why I'm dragging it down is just to identify it. So I'll just make sure that it's highlighted. Then I'll go to texture. Remember, it is the left down side. That's the one that we're putting. And here we have it. So you click on it. Make sure you are using the same ratio, because if you're not using the same ratio, it will affect it. So disturb your right. Click on OK. And we have this. So the next thing, I'll just go over to the last layer, the last side of the cycle. So just create a shape. Alright, then click here, mark the shape, the last cycle, the last part of the cycle of the shape, to merge it. Then drag it down, and then go to texture, add the image. Here we have it. We have this. Okay, this is the down right side. So we'll just click on OK, and boom, we have this. So you might be wondering how I added the shadows. Right, what I did next is just to add shadow. As simple as that. We're using inner shadow in this case. Just enable the inner shadow, and then I'll click. Let me use a red effect, the way I used. So you just have to work on these offsets. Move the offset to minus something like minus 16. Then you drag this offset Y. Drag it down a little. So before then, I'll increase the blur radius. So something like this. Remember, you have to identify the number. This one, the offset X is minus 16. The offset Y is 10, because we're going to use it on others rather. So click on OK. Then click on this one. Then go to inner shadow. Enable it. Click the red color. Then increase the radius. Then this goes to offsets. Alright, this one we go to offset 10. Use offset 10. The reason why we are using offset 10, because this other one is in the right hand side, while we are working on the left hand side, so it will be like the opposite of it. So here will be minus 16. Okay, so we have this at the end of everything. So we've got this. So we just have to save. Alright, click on save, and then save this. So if you are using it for a design now, you have to set this. You have to remove the background color, set it as transparent, so that you will be able to save it. If possible, you can merge it together. The reason for merging it together is so that you can add shadow to it. You can add shadow to it. Here is your shadow. Enable your shadow. So we have shadow like this. And add shadow, whether white or black, depending on the background of the design that you want to add it. You can add the shadow. You can also adjust the shadow, whether the offset of the shadow, Y or X offset of the shadow. And then you save as PNG and Ultra. So that's saving it. You've got the effect that you want. So you can use it. You can go ahead and use it for your design. So if you have any question on this video, any part of this video, like I said again, if you don't truly understand it this way, you can ask for request for the second video, where I'll be explaining in details on another or various ways to come about this. Thank you for watching this video, and I would like you to comment, like, share, and subscribe.